we bring innovation directly to your facility. Proven product inspection solutions for all types of applications. 5 metal detectors. Pharmaceutical systems for inspection of tablets and capsules. Pipeline systems for inspection of liquids and slurries. A throat detector for vertical applications with auto test system, which allows performance testing to be conducted in under 1 minute for safety, efficiency, and maximum uptime. A metal detector that uses multi-simultaneous frequencies detects all types of metals in challenging applications, such as products that are hot, wet, or cooling. A system that inspects small to medium-sized packaged products, detects all types of metal, and automatically rejects contaminated products. 2 combination inspection systems. A combination checkweigher and metal detector assures products are not over or underweight and identifies any metal contaminants. Non-conforming products are automatically rejected into separate reject bins for brand protection. A combination checkweigher with smart camera delivers regulatory compliance and reduces waste. A camera inspects the side of each package to confirm presence and accuracy of label information. Packages with errors are identified and rejected. The checkweigher verifies weight range tolerance. Over and underweight products are rejected. X-ray inspection. An X-ray inspection system helps ensure quality, detects foreign objects, even in products with inconsistent densities, and checks for missing components inside closed packages. Connectivity and data management. Proprietary software ProdX is a complete inspection data management and connectivity software solution that delivers full digital management of your product inspection equipment for real-time monitoring and compliance with industry standards and government regulations. We come to you. Schedule a visit today.